Hey guys, my husband is the smoothie operator. He's not wearing his shirt, but he's gonna make a very low calorie, it's a 60 calorie frappe. And we're gonna add a bunch of stuff to it that you're not even gonna know that's in there. Okay, we're gonna get started. So the way you make a frappe, you do 10 almond cubes, okay? Remember what I told you guys? Buy unsweetened almond milk, freeze it in ice cube trays, and then put it in the trays. Let me just put this down here. Okay, now we're gonna do a cup of almond milk. Okay. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons sweetie.
It's named after me, guys.
Yes.
Sweetie's named after me.
And then we're gonna do a tablespoon. Oh, you're gonna do the caramel extract.
Yep.
Okay, so he's doing a 1/4 teaspoon caramel extract to give it a caramel flavor. You guys can do that sugar-free caramel if you want. The caramel extract is actually healthier. I prefer that over the, like Smucker's has a sugar-free caramel. Can you show them that sugar-free caramel real quick? You can do this, but it doesn't have a healthy sweetener in it. That's why sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I don't care. It's a sugar-free sweetener, whatever. That's one of my cheats. Okay, we're gonna add a tablespoon of decaf coffee. You can do regular coffee if you want. Instant coffee. Yeah. Do not be sure you're buying instant coffee for this. Yes. And then the last thing is you can put a handful of spinach in there and it's going to turn green, but you won't taste the spinach. Okay? That's a good way to get your greens in without actually tasting it. Okay? Especially spinach. Like I like salad, but I don't like to have a spinach salad, but this is the way I can get my spinach in. And it looks green, but it tastes delicious. Oh, you can also add egg white protein powder. Go ahead and do that. You can add egg white protein powder to it. So you can do either 2 tablespoons to add 11 grams of protein, or you can do up to a 1/4 cup to add 22 grams of protein. Okay? Again, egg white protein powder is great for weight loss. It's excellent for weight loss. Okay, so I usually do 1 per frappe, 2 tablespoons, which is 11 grams protein. But I will drink 4 of these a day. I drink 4 of these a day. I'm not joking. And Daddy, do you tell them for me? I've lost weight doing this.
Yep. It was my suggestion.
It was his suggestion to me. Yep. So I'm living on my mixes. I'll drink 4 of these a day. That's why I do decaf, because I don't want all the caffeine. And then I do, there you go, frappe. Yep. And I've been losing weight doing it, actually. I'm lower than I've been pretty much since I had the baby. Huh? I don't care. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Come see us in the Davidson Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, be sure to go on healthytreatsmarket.com, okay? God bless you.